once the under tray is removed, you'll be able to see these brackets, which are the brackets that support the bottom of the radiator, the big chassis style brackets, and we're going to mount the bracket there. So this is the driver's side you're looking at. If I switch around to passenger side, you can see I've already mounted this bracket into place. So just pan out a bit, you can see the bracket there, and what we've done, slotted the bracket into that chassis point, and then the silver studs on a plate are on the outside, and then a nut on the inside of each one. So if we have a look at that through the grille, you should be able to see that mounted there. Just pan out a bit. So there you can see that mounted. That's in the large hole that, if I go back to the other side, you can see there. So you're pushing the bracket through from the outside, the stud through from the outside, putting the nut on the inside, like that one there. So the bar sits on the inside of the bracket on both sides. Hopefully you can see that there. Bolts come through from the outside, nuts on the inside, and the bar sitting on the inside of each of the chassis brackets. I'll just show you over on the other side. So you can see there, nothing's tightened up yet.